Hello everyone, and welcome back. Just tie up this tomato. In today's video, I'm going to be making some liquid plant fertiliser. I'm going to be trying the Jadam method from the Survival Gardening channel with David the God. I've not tried this method before, but it's basically just using all garden waste and anything really, food scraps, use meats if you want, use grass, anything green, weeds, all sorts. So I'm only going to be adding a few things, and don't take my word for it, I haven't tried it myself, so we'll see how we get on in a couple of weeks' time. We'll be ready within as little as 3 weeks, so we'll have a look at it in 3 weeks' time and see what it is. Today is June 10th. And if you want to see how it's done properly, check out to the Survival Gardening channel with David the God. I'll put the link in the description below. And I've also seen Hill Richards using it, and a couple of other people have been using it, so I'll give it a try. So hope you enjoy the video, guys, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like and drop me a comment below. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making some liquid plant feed, and I'm going to be using stinging nettles. These are a really good source of nitrogen and make great plant feed, and you want to try and get them before all the seed heads pop up, like these ones. Otherwise you're just spreading all the seeds all over the garden, but I don't really mind that because I'll pick them and use them for plant feed again next year. Also going to be adding just all different weeds from in and around the garden. Again, these are all full of nutrients, and some dock leaves and dandelion leaves. These are both full of calcium and potassium. And also going to be adding some grass clippings, as these also have loads of beneficial nutrients in them. Right, so I'm going to be putting them all in this barrel or bin. I've added the tap on the bottom, and I could just fit the water and can into there nicely. And then inside I've put this white bucket, glued that over the tap, and that has the fine gauze on the bottom of it, and then I've just put that other basket over that, just to stop any big bits going in there. Put some water in it to make sure it holds. It does leak slightly, but it's only going to leak into the bed where the pumpkins are, so don't really mind that. Right, so we'll get this filled up and go from there. So when you're picking these stinging nettles, good idea to wear gloves. And just cut them into small pieces. And the smaller they are, the quicker they break down. And I will be leaving some just to attract beneficial insects into the garden, and hopefully some ladybugs. Before you know it, I've got a full bucket of nettles. So chuck all them in there. Get that bit there pushed down. And duck leash. Mixture of all sorts of different weeds. Sat in this bucket for a while. And on top of all that, just add some grass clippings. Just need to fill this up with water now, and then there's one more thing we need to add. So I'll go and get the hose pipe, turn that on, get back to you. Right then, so whilst that's filling up, we'll go and get the last part of our ingredients. Right, so this is what we're looking for, and this is out the bottom of the leaf mould bin. It's well rotted down leaf mould, and it's full of bacteria and spores, and that should inoculate the feed, help bring some life into it, speed up the process. And Good hand. And I might even chuck in a couple of handfuls of stuff from the middle of this. So I think, yeah, actually I will. I'll add a couple of handfuls of that. Right, so we'll give that 10 minutes to fill up. I'll come back and check on it then. Might have overfilled that a bit. Hopefully that should be some nice stuff in a few days or a few weeks, but we'll come back and check on it in a couple of days' time. Right then guys, so we'll pop back in on this in a couple of days' time, let you know how it gets on, but that's how I plan on making my liquid plant feed. I haven't tried this before, so don't quote me on it. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a like and drop me a comment. I'll try my best to get back to everyone. Bye for now. Well, I think that's one of the biggest ones I've grown. Get it trimmed up and get it weighed. It's changing because of the wind, but it's about 2.9 kilos.